In this video, I will break down the T-Mobile Visa credit card to see if it actually deserves a spot in your wallet. This card is specifically designed for loyal T-Mobile customers who want to save on their monthly wireless bills. The biggest highlight is the generous cashback rate on your T-Mobile purchases. You get a solid percentage back on your phone bill and any hardware bought directly from the carrier. Beyond that, the card offers decent rewards on everyday categories like dining and groceries, which helps it compete with standard cash back cards. One major advantage is that there is no annual fee, making it a low-risk option for existing subscribers. However, the downside is that your rewards are most valuable when redeemed back into the T-Mobile ecosystem. If you are not a T-Mobile customer, this card is basically useless to you. Also, the interest rates can be quite high if you carry a balance. If you pay your bill in full and stay loyal to the brand, it is a great tool. Otherwise, you might find more flexibility with a general travel or cashback card.